Welcome to Ito Denki, where we showcase our latest and innovative motorized drive roller technology for material handling conveyors. We take pride in developing and manufacturing all our products in Japan, using only premium materials to ensure top quality performance. Our commitment to excellence has led us to pioneer the development of motorized drive roller technology, making us a leader in the automation industry. Our exhibition displays our dedication to constantly pushing the boundaries and providing innovative solutions for your material handling needs.
We provide OEMs, integrators, and end users with comprehensive material handling and intralogistic solutions, centered around our advanced DC motorized drive roller, MDR, technology and controllers. Our offerings include motorized drive rollers, MDR, and controls, a diverse selection for various applications, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Advanced diverter modules, innovative solutions for effective sortation processes. Our adaptable conveyor system, designed for seamless integration and enhanced operational flexibility.